Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Shopify for print on demand step by step so you can start selling custom products without inventory and scale your store efficiently in 2026. Print on demand is a great way to launch a store with minimal upfront costs. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and the supplier prints and ships them only after a customer places an order. So yeah, Shopify makes this process seamless. Start by setting up your Shopify store. Choose a professional theme that highlights products effectively and ensures a smooth shopping experience. Optimize navigation and product pages for better conversions. Next, choose a print-on-demand app from Shopify's App Store. Popular options include Printful, Printify, and SPOD. Install the app and connect it to your store. These apps automatically sync products, process orders, and manage fulfillment. Create your products in the print-on-demand app, upload your designs, select product types, colors, and sizes, set competitive pricing, and add compelling descriptions to attract buyers. After creating products, publish them to your Shopify store. Make sure product images are high quality and showcase the design clearly. Organize products into collections to make it easy for customers to browse. Set up marketing and sales channels. Use social media, email campaigns, and paid ads to promote your products. You can also leverage SEO to attract organic traffic and boost visibility. Monitor orders and customer feedback closely. Even though fulfillment is handled by the print-on-demand provider, ensure quality and timely shipping. Respond to customer inquiries promptly to build trust and loyalty. Finally, analyze your store performance. Track sales trends, top-selling designs, and customer behavior using Shopify Analytics. Optimize your product line and marketing strategies based on insights to grow your print-on-demand business. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.